I was supposed to get off work. Car broke down in the middle of the highway. I'm gonna make myself some second espresso with white chocolate and caramel drizzle. I'm gonna take this off. Okay, I'm headed to Pilates. I was super bloated last week, so I made some green juice. It's got cucumber, celery, ginger, lime, spinach. I usually add some water and tug it as if it's a salt, but I'm gonna add water. It already smells disgusting. It's just the ginger smelled so bad. Like day one, it was so fresh, it was good. Cheers. I'm gonna add some Greek yogurt. Lactose intolerance is not a thing. Banana. Last two ingredients: peanut butter and honey. Let me show you my ugly acai bowl. Hello. What's up? It's currently 12 a.m. I was supposed to get off work at 11. It got so busy, I couldn't even take lunch. Starving. My stomach hurts. I snack a little bit while I was in there. But I'm still hungry. I'm gonna drive home. I'm exhausted. I'm only working on 4 hours of sleep. It's been like 2 days since I've only slept for 4 hours. Today is my night off. I was working days and I tried to switch to nights and I've been going crazy. I have 1 week left before school. This summer might have been very eventful. I'm on the side of the road. I literally got off highway. My car broke down in the middle of the highway. Was I scared? Yes. Did I start sobbing? Yes. There's this one man, the stranger, he saw the black mist coming out of my car and I was like, this smells really, really nasty. And I looked over because that's coming from the right side. I was like, is it me? He's like, yeah. And then I put the emergency light on. Long story short, my car was stuck there. I couldn't move it. I tried to put it on brake. It wouldn't go anywhere. I restarted. I tried to put it on drive to get it out of the road because I'm literally causing the traffic. And it starts going backward. I'm like, fuck, sobbing and being in video call with my sister and this kind stranger man who's trying to help me. He starts pushing the car. He's like, ready? I was like, yeah. I'm not sure I'm doing anything, but I'm like just turning my wheels and he's pushing, and a few other men get out of the car to push. Thank you. After 2 days of stress, I am in my new car. The color is so pretty. I'm in love. Bye. Eyes are so freaking scary.
Coming up here by this pine tree is our resident groundhog applesauce.
I'm doing my laundry right now. Tomorrow's first day of senior year. Here's some asparagus, broccoli here that I'm also gonna steam. It's currently 10:38.
In the brain that breaks, creating a pool of blood that damages the brain. Of the two, ischemic stroke sensory information, which lets us locate exactly where we are physically and guides movement in a three-dimensional space. The temporal lobe plays a role in hearing, smell,